Number 1. Chevrolet Corvair. (1963) year of issue 1963, Chevrolet Corvair. Monza 900, coupe, good solid body, no rust, been sitting, spins over. Should be an easy startup. Battery and carb cleaning should do it. Recent good tires. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 2. Pontiac Catalina. 1975 year of issue, idles too high. Needs brake adjustment and there is a fuel line leak in the rear. The vinyl top will need to be removed, replaced, and the hood needs a repaint. There is rust, not bad, behind each front wheel well and a little under the trunk lid edge. The interior is nice, good headliner, etc. One ripped seam on the driver's side. Good wheels, good tires, a couple of small dents. Passenger side front turn. Signal lamp lens is broken. All glass is good. Everything seems to work. No working radio, but there is one in the trunk. Number 3. Triumph Spitfire. 1980 year of issue. 1980 Triumph Spitfire convertible, white. I have the hard and soft top, the original rubber bumper, but not on it. Chrome luggage rack and headlight covers. Spare tire and lots of extra parts. The interior needs to be restored. The engine isn't the original. It does start, but problem with the clutch, I've been told. Odometer needs to be hooked up. Number 4. Cadillac Fleetwood. 1975 year of issue. 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood, Brougham. A blast from the past. Just awesome and a nice easy project. She runs and drives but needs an in-depth tune-up. Fuel pump and interior work. She is solid. Big engine, 500 cubic inches. She is Southern and a one-owner car. Not much to get her into tip-top shape. Number 5. Jeep Wagon, 1977 year of issue. '77 Jeep Wagoneer, 258, 4.2 engine, T18 transmission. Dana Spicer Model 20 transfer case, Dana 44 Spicer front and rear with limited slip rear end. Has a 3-inch Rancho lift with 31 tires. Tires need to be replaced. Has new windshield and carburetor, new battery. Jeep has been sitting for over 15 years. I got it running, but needs work. It will drive under its own power, but not sure I would trust it too far without maintenance. Has rust in floors, but they sell new panels. And has rust in rear quarter panel and tailgate. Number 6, MG MGB. 1980 year of issue, 1980 MGB. All original 4-seal 1798 cc. Four-speed manual, 57k miles. Single carb was changed to dual SU carbs. Runs and drives great, excellent brakes and clutch. Top in good condition. This is a fun little car to drive. Needs nothing but a driver. Has a little surface rust under rockers, but no rust through. I have title in hand. Number 7, Studebaker Lark, 1962 year of issue. (1962) Studebaker Lark. Four-door automatic V8, runs and drives only 71k actual miles. Recently bought it just to resell. Prior owner has done a lot of work, invested over 8k recently. I have all records and receipts all in one piece. Body nice, interior beautiful, glass chrome, all accent, very good shape. Tires, brakes, all good. A nice running and driving fixer. Upper would not take much to get it to show quality, clear title in hand. Number 8, Nash Statesman, 1951 year of issue, 1951. Nash Statesman, clean green title, ready for someone who has the time for it. Unsure on transmission condition. Almost positive it's working though, ready to have an engine install. Decent condition, was barn kept for around 8 years now. There are parts in the vehicle and in trunk. Driven 350 miles. Manual transmission, exterior color, yellow. Interior color, brown, fuel type, gasoline. This vehicle is paid off.